Welcome to FIM User Guide Tutorial for Distributors. Step 1. Type fim.com.my into your browser's search bar and press Enter. It will direct you to FIMM's homepage, which should look like the video below. Step 2. At the top of the page, find and click on the Resources segment. From the drop-down menu, select FCS User Guide in the Resources segment. Step 3. Click on the External Access User Guide. Step 4. On the next page, click on Distributor. Step 5. Browse through the columns and select your intended subject to find the relevant user guide. Step 6. Click the Apply Filter button to display the results. Once the results are shown, click Download. Thanks for watching FIM tutorial video.